If you want to shoot adventurous video, the best action camera is what you need. From budget models to the smartest flagships, we've tested all of the top action cameras and highlighted our favorites in the list below. Whether for surfing, skydiving, or something else, our video is designed to help you find the right action camera for your needs and budget. To help get you to the right model, we've tested the top 6 action cameras and their key features, plus the things you'll need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 6. Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE offers an incredible range of features for its price. If a front-facing screen and weather sealing are more important to you than outright video quality, then it should certainly be high on your short list. In our tests, this model's audio quality was better than any other non-GoPro we've reviewed. In quieter environments anyway. And it has a fantastically intuitive touchscreen interface. The only slight downer is that the video quality, while decent at 4K resolution, doesn't quite match the rest of the Brave 7 LE's features. It leans heavily on noise reduction and lower light, giving your footage a soft quality, while the electronic image stabilization is decent rather than class-leading. Still, for the price, it's undoubtedly one of the best action cams out there, and unrivaled in terms of the amount of features it packs in for the price. Number 5. Insta360 One RS. Do you want an action cam? How about a 360-degree cam? The answer is you want both, and now you can get both in one package. The Insta360's One RS eliminates the debate by bringing interchangeable lenses to the action camera. There are 3 lenses, or mods. A 4K mod that mirrors what you'll get from the other cameras in this video, a dual-lens 360-degree camera, and a wide-angle Leica lens paired with a 1-inch sensor that's capable of capturing 5K video. The best value lies in pairing the 4K mod with the 360 mod. But if you can't afford it, the Leica 1-inch mod delivers some of the best video quality I've seen from an action camera. The updated Insta360 One RS differs from its predecessor in both the 4K mod, which can now shoot 5.2K video, and the processor, which brings the company's motion smoothing algorithm to the camera rather than requiring the app. I also like that the Insta360 regularly adds new features and improvements via firmware updates rather than releasing a whole new camera body every year. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is an excellent choice for underwater filming, and a great action camera in its own right, bested only by the GoPro Hero 11 Black. DJI has switched out the modular design it debuted in the Action 2 in favor of a more standard GoPro-esque action camera template. However, DJI hasn't completely ditched the old design, keeping the magnetic clamp and using it to create a fantastic quick-release system for attaching the camera to first and third-party mounts. This means you can unclip the camera from mounts instead of unscrewing it as you might with the GoPro, making it much faster to change. There's even a second maglock mounting point on the side of the protective case for easy filming in portrait orientations for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Even without the case, the Osmo Action 3 is capable of surviving drops up to 1.5 meters and water as deep as 16 meters. This depth extends to 60 meters when used with the optional waterproof case. You can also replace the lens, so if it does get damaged, there's no need to replace the entire camera. Both the 1.4-inch front and the 2.5-inch rear screens are touch capable, which puts DJI one step ahead of GoPro when comparing the two front displays. Physical buttons are limited to a large shutter button and a power quick select button for cycling through modes, which we found lacked a bit of travel. When it comes to video quality, the Osmo Action 3 is capable of capturing 4K video at 120 frames per second, meaning there's no 5.3K option like the one found on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. However, the FOV is wider at 155 degrees. We found the footage to be sharp, detailed, and well exposed during the day, though the quality did fall off in trickier lighting conditions, with with images and videos suffering in low-light environments. Image stabilization is extremely impressive, but both the stabilization and horizon leveling features do come with the crop. Likewise, 360-degree horizon leveling is also only supported when recording at 2.6K or lower, which is a pretty dramatic difference next to the GoPro Hero 11 Black's 5.3K 360-degree horizon leveling support. Despite these caveats, the DJI Osmo Action 3 remains a rugged and very affordable action camera. Number 3. Insta360's X3. There are times when handling even an action camera's wide-angle lens becomes a problem, and that's where a 360-degree action camera can step in. With two back-to-back lenses and enough smarts to eliminate the selfie stick from the footage, this almost magic camera can capture an image from a point within reach looking in any direction you see fit. I tried it with the bike attachment, which holds the camera a little way in front of the bike over the front wheel, and I was amazed at the footage, which makes it look like I'm cycling toward a perfectly controlled drone. Better still, by syncing with my phone, I could draw GPS data and have it overlaid in the form of a speedometer by the Insta360 app before sharing. The only real worry is how naked those glass lenses are when the camera is in use. The joy of repositioning the camera angle after the fact can be hours of fun. 5.7K is good enough for sharing, but more resolution would help pro work. Number 2. Insta360 Go 3. If you're after something small, you can't really beat the Insta360 Go 3, a tiny thumb-sized action camera that builds upon the great reputation of its predecessor, the Go 2. The Go 3 offers up to 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, as well as free-frame video, where you can change the aspect ratio of your footage after shooting it. It's water-resistant down to 16 feet, small enough to take pretty much everywhere. What's more, Insta360 offers a range of awesome accessories to allow you to use the tiny Go 3 in pretty much any scenario you can imagine. It's truly designed to go on any adventure with you. Thanks to the new Action Pod, which replaces the Go 2's case, the Go 3 is now a bona fide vlogging tool featuring a flip-up screen and 170 minutes of battery life. However, the size of the Go 3 means some sacrifices have to be made. There's no removable storage, no external microphone support, and no 4K video. As such, if you're looking to shoot professional-grade video, you'd be better off looking at the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which costs a similar amount of money at the expensive size. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black. GoPro's latest flagship doesn't dramatically raise the bar for image quality, but thanks to the new 1 to 1.9 inch sensor, we think the Hero 11 Black is GoPro's most versatile action camera yet. Its 8:9 aspect ratio lets you easily export content in formats to fit different social channels without compromising on quality. The updated sensor unlocks a super wide hyper-view lens, as well as horizon lock in some video modes. Shoot up to 5.3K at 30 frames per second with a linear lens, and it'll keep scenes level through 360 degrees, a feature we found very impressive in testing. A new 10-bit color mode also offers useful flexibility for editors who want to grade in post, while maximum bit rates have been boosted to 120 megabits per second, helping it better handle complex scenes. Live streaming is still limited to 1080p, and low-light performance leaves plenty to be desired. But with an Enduro battery now included as standard, plus 5.3K time warp settings, we found the GoPro Hero 11 Black a truly feature-packed action camera. It proved a polished companion in testing, balancing pro tricks with a user-friendly interface, all wrapped up in tough, pocket-friendly packaging. And there you have it, our top picks for the ultimate action cameras of the year. If this video lit up your tech radar, smash that thumbs up and let the love show. Which camera caught your eye? Dive into the comments and let us in on your top pick. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide revved up your adrenaline, hit that like button. And for more electrifying content, make sure to hit subscribe. You don't want to miss what's next. Catch you in the next cinematic adventure. Until then, stay awesome and keep shooting.